Hey there, solopreneurs! Welcome back to Solopreneur Fixer. Today, I'm showing you a quick and easy way to combine multiple PDF files into one using your Mac. Let's dive in. Want to combine multiple PDF files into one? It's easy with Preview on your Mac. Start by opening the first PDF you want to combine. Scroll down to the last page of the document. This is where we'll add the next PDF. Now, find the second PDF file you want to add. Simply drag and drop it onto the last page of the first PDF. That's it. The second PDF will be seamlessly added to the end of the first. And there you have it. Your PDFs are now combined into a single document. You can continue adding more PDFs by repeating these steps. With this simple drag and drop method, you can save time and streamline your workflow. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.